Ever wondered about the health risks associated with shallow frying your food? Well, let's pull back the curtain and unveil the truth. Shallow frying is a cooking method where food is submerged in hot oil or fat at a high temperature. Sounds delicious, right? But it's not so tasty for your health. First off, shallow frying can significantly increase your calorie intake. Just imagine all those extra calories sneaking into your meals. Then there's the rise in cholesterol levels, which can lead to heart disease. And that's not all. Shallow frying also exposes you to potentially harmful compounds, including acrylamide, a substance linked to certain types of cancer. And if that's not enough to make you rethink your cooking methods, consider this. Regularly eating foods cooked this way can lead to weight gain. So it's not just about the instant gratification of a tasty meal, but the long-term impact on your health. Now that you're aware of the dangers, let's dive into how to avoid shallow frying. You might think it's impossible to avoid shallow frying, but there are numerous healthier cooking methods available. Let's take a culinary adventure and explore some of these alternatives. First off, baking. Picture a succulent chicken breast, marinated in your favorite spices, slowly baking in the oven. As it cooks, the heat envelops it, producing a beautifully browned exterior, while the inside remains juicy and tender. Baking uses no additional fat, retaining the food's natural flavors and nutrients. Next, consider grilling. Imagine sinking your teeth into a grilled vegetable skewer, each piece charred to perfection, bursting with flavor. Grilling is a fantastic way to cook as it uses high heat, searing the food quickly and locking in the natural juices. Plus, any excess fat drips away, making it a leaner choice. Now, onto steaming, a method often overlooked but packed with benefits. Picture a basket of vibrant vegetables steamed to perfection, their colors intensified, their crunch preserved. Steaming is a gentle cooking process that maintains the food's nutritional integrity while adding no extra fat. Lastly, let's talk about boiling. Think about a hearty stew, simmered until the flavors meld beautifully together. Boiling is a simple and versatile method that uses water, broth, or wine, infusing the food with flavor while keeping the fat content low. Each of these methods, baking, grilling, steaming, and boiling, can be easily incorporated into your daily cooking routine. They not only help in reducing the harmful effects of shallow frying, but also add a new dimension of taste and texture to your dishes. Remember, the key here is to experiment. Try different herbs and spices, marinate your food, or even mix and match cooking methods. Cooking is an art, and you are the artist. Your kitchen is your canvas, and these cooking techniques are your brushes. So the next time you reach for that frying pan, pause and consider these alternatives. Not only will your food taste better, but your body will also thank you in the long run. Remember, a little change in your cooking methods can make a huge impact on your health. Did you know you can make your meals healthier with some smart ingredient swaps? Indeed, the path to healthier cooking often involves rethinking our choices of ingredients. Let's start with one of the most common culprits, mayonnaise. While it adds creaminess to dishes, it also packs a punch in terms of calories and fats. A healthier swap? Yogurt. It offers a similar creamy texture, but with significantly less fat and more protein. Next, let's talk about butter. Though it's a staple in many kitchens, it's high in saturated fats. A healthier alternative can be olive oil. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to be heart-healthy. Plus, it can handle high-heat cooking methods just as well, if not better, than butter. Here's another swap. Instead of deep frying, consider baking or roasting. This way, you can avoid the excess oil without compromising on the deliciously crispy texture. For example, for your next batch of French fries, try baking them in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of sea salt, and a dash of your favorite spices. And here's a bonus tip. When it comes to adding flavor, don't forget about herbs and spices. They can add a lot of depth and complexity to your dishes without adding any extra fats or calories. With these simple ingredient swaps, you're already on your way to healthier cooking. So let's continue this journey together and discover more ways to enjoy food without the guilt. If you still crave that fried texture, sautéing and stir-frying can be your best friends. These cooking techniques let you have your cake and eat it too, or in this case, your fried food without the extra oil. Let's dive into the art of sautéing and stir-frying. Sautéing and stir-frying are similar in that they're both quick, high-heat cooking methods. When sautéing, you'll want to use a wide pan to give your ingredients room to breathe. It's all about the dance of the pan, keeping your food in constant motion. Add a small amount of oil, just enough to lightly coat the pan, and then toss in your ingredients. Stir-frying, on the other hand, is a technique that originates from Asia. It's done in a wok, a versatile round-bottomed pan, but a large skillet can work too. Again, only a small amount of oil is needed. The ingredients are usually cut into uniform pieces for even cooking, and are constantly stirred or tossed, hence the name. Both these techniques are healthier alternatives to shallow frying because they require significantly less oil. They also cook the food quickly, preserving nutrients and flavors. Plus, the quick searing action can give your dishes that desired crispy exterior. So next time you're cooking, remember that less is more when it comes to oil. Sautéing and stir-frying can give your dishes that fried feel, minus the health risks. So, let's recap what we've learned today. We've unveiled the not-so-hidden dangers of shallow frying and the impact it can have on our health. It's high time we redefine our cooking techniques, and that's exactly what we did. We discovered alternative methods that are not only healthier, but also create flavorful dishes. We've learned about smart ingredient swaps, which can make a huge difference in our meals without compromising on taste. Remember, it's all about balance. We also mastered the art of sautéing and stir-frying, two techniques that bring out the best in our ingredients and make our dishes shine. These methods let us control the amount of oil we use, leading to healthier, tastier meals. Remember, your health is in your hands. Make the right choices in your kitchen and you'll reap the benefits in your life. Thanks for watching. Hey there, food revolutionaries! If you've enjoyed our journey through healthier cooking methods and ingredient swaps, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's time for us to spread this health revolution, so share this video with your friends and family. Let's get everyone on board for a healthier lifestyle. Got any healthy cooking tips of your own? We'd love to hear them. Drop them in the comments section below. We're always looking for new ways to make our meals healthier and tastier, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We're bringing you more deliciously healthy content, so stay tuned. Remember, your journey to health doesn't end here. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep cooking up a storm. Until next time, food revolutionaries.